Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating world of gemstones. In this video, we'll delve into what sets gemstones apart from other minerals, the economic significance of non-gem grade stones, and the role of treatments in the gemstone market. Join us as we uncover the beauty and intricacies of these natural treasures. Gemstones are distinguished by their rarity, durability, and beauty. However, not all stones extracted from gem deposits meet the high standards required for jewelry. In fact, only a small fraction of the stones unearthed by miners are suitable for use in jewelry. Many stones may have undesirable color hues, excessive or insufficient color, fractures, or instability. Despite these challenges, the demand for gemstones consistently exceeds supply, making even non-gem grade stones economically valuable. By selling both high and lower grade stones, miners can improve their chances of maintaining a viable business. The scarcity of natural untreated gemstones drives up prices across the entire production chain, from mine to consumer. Non-gem grade stones, which are more abundant and suitable for treatment, do not possess the same level of rarity. Miners often sell these lower quality stones at a low cost, and affordable treatments can enhance these stones, making them closely resemble their natural counterparts. Unfortunately, this similarity can sometimes lead to dishonest practices, where treated stones are sold as natural ones at premium prices. To avoid such issues, it is crucial to fully disclose any treatments applied to the stones. In some instances, treated stones may look like natural gemstones, but lack the same durability. For example, a glass-filled ruby is not as resistant to abrasion or chemical damage as a natural ruby. Proper disclosure is essential in these cases, as factors that might not affect a natural stone could potentially damage a treated one. Are treatments inherently bad? Not necessarily, as long as they are transparently disclosed. The economic prosperity of the past century has allowed more people to enjoy wearing gemstones. Once reserved for the nobility and wealthy, gemstones are now accessible to billions of people with disposable income who wish to adorn themselves with luxurious decorations. The demand for gemstones has grown so significantly that without treatments, the prices for natural stones would skyrocket. Treated gemstones have become a vital part of the jewelry trade, benefiting both consumers and miners. Consumers rely on them to meet the increased demand, while miners depend on them to maintain a steady income. Without the ability to sell treatable stones, miners would be at the mercy of luck, hoping to find gem-grade stones daily. It is estimated that 80% of the world's gemstones are mined by independent artisanal miners, and it is crucial that they can earn a decent living. Without their hard work, these beautiful natural treasures would not reach the market. For jewelry historians, treatments can provide valuable clues about the age of a piece. Since the invention dates of various treatments are well documented, finding a stone treated with a method developed in the 1970s in a piece of Victorian jewelry should raise red flags. The stone might be a replacement or indicate a recent reproduction. In such cases, a closer examination is necessary, and identifying a modern treatment can help correctly classify a well-made reproduction. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the captivating world of gemstones. We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for these natural treasures and the intricate processes that bring them to market. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of jewelry and gemstones. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty around you.